So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of project, and let's say I want to apply preset to it. So for that, over here on the left hand side, you can see preset browser. You can go ahead and expand out the system presets and user presets, and you'll be able to find all of the presets that you need right here and the ones that you have. Let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and use this preset. Then I can expand this out, see the preset that I want to use, right click, and then simply go ahead and apply it to the queue. But I simply need to go ahead and select out these particular like projects right here to actually go ahead and right click and apply to the queue right here. And you can see that all those presets are applied out just like this. You can even go around over here, select this out, apply presets right here, and they get added out right here just like this. So this is what you have. And if you want to go ahead and let's say, for example, find out a certain preset. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around for TV right here. This is what you have. So as I type in, let's say, for example, blue right here, you can see that I get Blu-ray right here and Blu-ray standard formats. So I can simply go around over here and then select this right here, select out the projects that I want to apply the preset to. I'm going to hold Control and then apply out the presets, and they get added out right there just like that. You can even go ahead and search, as you can see, and click on the cross mark to go ahead and clear out the filter. And this is what you have. You can go ahead right here and collapse all to go ahead and collapse all of the preset menu right here. And if you want to expand, simply expand all right here in order to see every preset that you have right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and use the preset browser to quickly go ahead and apply out the presets right here in the queue. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe